Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI in robotics. From farming to manufacturing, AI is transforming how we interact with machines. Ready? Let's explore. The robotics industry has evolved significantly since the 1960s, playing a crucial role in various sectors. Today, nearly 3 million industrial robots are operational worldwide, with 400,000 new robots entering the market each year. AI in robotics aims to create intelligent environments for better automation, using techniques like computer vision, intelligent programming, and reinforcement learning. Let's take a closer look at how AI is revolutionizing different industries. In agriculture, AI robots help farmers increase efficiency and crop yields. For instance, robots like the dexterous hand by Shadow Robot use reinforced learning to pick fruits without damaging them. Manufacturing has long benefited from robotics. AI-powered robots now bring greater precision and adaptability to tasks like assembling, welding, and quality control. For example, Abyss Solutions uses computer vision and robotics for infrastructure inspection. In healthcare, AI robots improve patient outcomes and streamline hospital operations. Robots like TrueD disinfect hospital areas using UV light, while Moxie by Diligent Robotics assists with delivering medical supplies. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of AI in transportation. Companies like Cruise use AI to create 3D maps of their surroundings, while Perceptive Automata focuses on predicting pedestrian behavior to make autonomous driving safer. AI in robotics is revolutionizing industries by taking over complex, dangerous, and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more strategic roles. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech innovations. Until next time, keep exploring the future of AI.